Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video on our channel, App Tutorial. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can change the region or country in Instagram. So watch this video till the end to learn how, and also subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and turn on the notifications to never miss any upcoming uploads. So the first thing you'll need to do is open the Instagram app. Then from here, go to your profile. To change the region or country of Instagram, you need to switch your Instagram account into a professional account. To do so, click on the three lines located on the top right and then go to settings. From here, you'll need to go to accounts. Now, if you scroll down, you can see an option called switch to professional account. Then click on continue. Now choose any type of category you want and choose business account. Now here you can see an option called business address. You can add your location here. After you're done adding your address, you can click on save and then click on next. So just like that, you can change the region or country of Instagram on your account by switching it to a professional business account. I hope you guys liked this video and found this video to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and we will be soon back with more videos such like this. Thank you for watching.